Ludacris.
Man, what y'all call me for, man?
Me and Desi got a surprise for you, brother.
What?
Got a surprise. Listen, man.
Surprise?
Yeah.
Listen, you've been doing good for the community for years. You've been inspiring us.
Right.
And we heard your car got stolen.
Yes.
It's more to that.
Yeah, it's kind
No,
of
we ain't worried about that.
It was kind of his fault though, cause he left the keys.
That's
and
fine, but
I don't understand. But
just-
yeah,
No.
It's time for you to move now.
yeah, it's time for you to move on.
Yes.
Time for you to move on.
All right.
So
All right.
we got a special surprise for you.
Big
got-
body. We know you like cars.
Yeah.
You got a surprise for
Close
me?
your eyes. Close your eyes right quick. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Man, y'all playing with me.
Man, we
your
not.
eyes.
Close your
Put your
eyes.
hand over
All
your
right,
face.
okay, all right.
Now
All
look,
right.
now look, I know you used to being the giver, but
Right.
sometimes the giver got to get game too.
Amen.
So
Amen.
me and
Can you say
Desi.
amen?
Okay, I can say amen.
Amen,
There you go.
amen. Cause me and Desi got something for you. Step back, Desi.
I got you.
Oh, open your eyes, Luda.
Can I open my eyes?
Yeah.
Is it ready?
Luda, watch out. That's you right there, boy. Everybody clap. Give me a hand. That's you.
I did the paint job.
Yeah, he
I did the paint job. Look at the rim.
He did it. He paid it.
Look at the rim.
In the time.
It looks better than your 93 legs.
Hey,
Come on now,
hold up. Why you giving in on this? You in on this?
Everybody in on
No,
this.
they not in on that. No, they not in. We did
No,
it.
they his buddies.
Tell me it's
Yeah,
a
but
joke,
they
man.
not
Y'all
in.
joking
Yeah,
with
we
me.
paid for
And you
it.
know how much we pay for this?
Wait.
Do you want to know the
So
price?
I get the rims and the
get
tires and
everything.
everything.
Everything. The tires.
The two-tone paint job.
Come on,
Two-tone. Luda is yours.
This is my like
It's yours.
cash.
Cash.
Yeah.
Okay, where the key fob at? I need the key fob.
Key.
Ain't no key.
What you need to keep up, brother? This is new. This uppity.
This is the spaceship. This is the Lord.
Is it
brought
push
us down from heaven.
Is it push to start?
No, it's more like push to pull.
Push to
like
pull.
push and pull, and you can pull it. Yeah.
Pull
Hey,
and
man.
you don't never
Yeah.
look back.
Listen, you know what?
Yeah.
I appreciate y'all.
Nah, I appreciate you,
y'all,
man.
man.
I love you too,
Come on,
man.
now.
That's
Boy,
you.
Is you ready to get in
That's
with
you.
it?
That's you, boy.
Now you gotta have a driver, so you gotta
Yeah,
pick.
you got a driver. And you got a spot for a driver. Hey, do your mind since you ain't help. Can you be a
We got a
driver?
driver. We got a driver for him.
See, y'all already got the driver.
We brought a driver.
Y'all got a chauffeur?
The chauffeur come with. I forgot.
So I don't have to drive no more?
You forgot the chauffeur.
That was in the package.
The chauffeur.
We spent so much money. Is the chauffeur?
I ain't got to drive
You
no
ain't
more.
gotta
No.
drive nothing.
No, brother. Congratulations, man.
I love y'all, man.
Get in your car,
I love you,
boy.
boy.
I love y'all, boy.
Look, get in there.
Yeah.
And it matches the jacket too.
That's your jacket. Now, hold up. Now let me get that spiritual seatbelt. Let me get that spiritual
seatbelt
that
on.
spiritual seatbelt. My Father God, please protect him because he can fall out.
That's
you, boy. That's you. That's you.
Let's go.
Yeah. Hey, so
y'all.
make sure you pull him right. Pull him right. Yeah. Pull him right. Don't you waste your legs. Be careful.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
When I move, you move.
Just like that. And when you want to reverse, go ahead, push back.
Boy, you out of there.
You do that. That's you.
Your life is changed.
Yeah, it's you for you. That's what's up, boy. Yeah, hey, that's what's up.
look
man.
at him go.
Everything good. Hey,
Look at him go.
I'm glad he got that for real. I'm glad he got a car because he got a stolen car. He gonna let somebody steal that one.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
He don't need no
Yeah,
car.
but the chauffeur, he was looking side. He gonna wreck in a
The man
minute.
got on a mask outside.
Yeah, I don't understand.
What's wrong
He's
with him?
smiling inside of the mask. That's wrong. That's wrong.
I'm Prophet Muscle, the only man in the world who can do handstand push-ups with his fist on concrete.
I got trained by Roger Mayweather, Crazy Temple next.
I'm the son of Roger Mayweather.
Roger, tell these motherfuckers subscribe to the Prophet channel.